Well, I'm gonna try out that thing where you stuck a car battery in the ground and it's supposed to draw out some earthworms. It's supposed to be painful for them and fun for me, so let's try it out. Houston, we have contact. I don't immediately see any. But I do guess that it'll take some time. So, oh, there's something there. Like some kind of beetle. I guess I'll be back when something starts to happen. Well, okay, that wasn't working, so I stepped it up to the bigger one. There's my hand for reference. She's a big old boat battery. Let's plug this thing in. Let's see what it'll do. Nothing immediate. That's for sure. I guess I'll be back if something interesting happens. I was so incredibly lame. I guess we'll just have to see if there are actually any worms in there. There. Right there. There was one, and he didn't pop to the surface. I think they're full of crap. I don't think that works. But then again, I'm not a scientist, and neither are you, most likely. So, I don't know. Whatever. This internet sucks. There, got one right there. See if he dislikes the power. Ooh. Will you not like that, buddy? Huh? Get close. One at this end. One at this end. Ooh. I don't know if it's because I'm touching him. I don't think he likes that too much. Good, you jerk. You're supposed to come up, not stagnate. Whatever, I'm gonna find something else to do. There. Well, look who I have here. That jerk's family. Got his dad, got his mom, got his sister, which is kind of unfortunate because she's a little bit of a cutie. But it's too bad. I will get my revenge. You didn't cooperate? Now I'm gonna end your family's lives. How am I gonna do this, you may ask? Well,
I'm gonna hit him with an elbow drop. Devastation.